So what you can see on my screen right now is an AI agent who just figured out who all of my competitors are, wrote up a full report on them, and then turned it into a full presentation deck. I didn't have to type a single line of code, and the whole thing was done for me in under 2 minutes. Most of what you've seen online makes this look overcomplicated, but this video is built for people who are running businesses, not developers. There's no coding, no workflow rewiring, or any technical background needed, and I'm going to show you 2 things that people completely skip that causes their agents to break as soon as a real person uses them. So let's kick this video off with the basics. What actually is an AI agent? Think of it like a member of staff that you've hired. You give them the job, they go off and do it, and then they figure out the steps along the way. They're not waiting for you to tell them what to do at every single stage. No, they just go off and get it done. That's essentially what an AI agent is. It takes the goal, figures out how to get there, and then it gets the task done. Your only part in the process is to decide what tools to give it access to and what rules to follow. But once the job is defined, it just handles the steps without you needing to guide every single move. Now, every agent out there, no matter what it does, is built from the same 6 parts. So the first part is the model. It's the brain. It's the actual AI that's doing the thinking. Whether this is ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, or any other AI tool, every single decision runs through here. Second is the tools. These are what actually give the AI agent hands. Tools is what lets the AI read your emails, check your calendar, reply to emails, browse the web, and builds files. The more tools it has access to, the more tasks it can get done. Third is the memory, and this is what gives the AI agent context so it remembers everything it needs to get the job done properly. A sales agent, for example, needs to remember the conversation that was left off with a lead. And a research agent needs to hold on to all of the information it's found so it doesn't lose its thread. Fourth is personalization, the one that most people skip, and it's where you tell your agent what your brand looks like, what tone to use, and how you want the outputs to be formatted. Without it, the agent is just going to produce some generic stuff and it won't feel like it came from your business. Fifth is the guardrails, and these are essentially rules that stop your AI agent from going off script, browsing the webs, and accessing folders that you don't want it to access. At number 6, we have orchestration, and this is how you monitor your agents once they're live and actually doing the work, and how you improve it over time. And this is where the prompt comes in. The prompt is essentially like the job description. Without it, your agent has access to all of the tools in the world, but no idea on how to actually use them. All right, so now that you understand what AI agents are, let me go ahead and show you what we're building today. Most of the platforms out there that actually let you build AI agents, they still require you to build it manually. They're letting you map out every step, connecting every piece, and when something stops working, you would have to be the one figuring out what the problem is on your own. And I'll be honest, I've used these platforms myself and they do get the job done, but it takes a very long time to learn and get it right. Whereas the platform that I've been using recently to build all of my agents, Nexus AI, has a completely different approach. Instead of having to spend weeks and months building everything yourself manually, with Nexus, you just describe what you want in plain English and it sets up the agent for you automatically. You don't need to learn canvases, understand how nodes or wiring works. All you need to know is that job description, the prompt that you want the agent to do. From there, it will read the prompt, figure out what tools that the AI needs access to, and then sets everything up by itself. I've been using this for a while now, and it's genuinely the easiest way to get AI agents set up if you have no technical background. I'm going to leave a link to this platform down in the description along with my 10% discount so you can get some money off the plan that you choose. With that being said, let's go ahead and start building our first agent right here. This is the meeting summary agent, and this is one of the most useful agents you can set up out there right now if you run any kind of business. How many times have you walked out of a meeting and then 2 days later you can't remember what decisions were made? That's what this agent fixes permanently. To create it, all you need to do is click right here where it says create an agent and then enter in your prompt. Remember what I said earlier, the prompt is essentially the job description. What I'm going to do is drop this exact prompt that you can see on the screen right here so you can copy and paste it directly into your own account so you can create this exact agent today. Now watch what happens next right here. Nexus is essentially going to read this entire thing, so it's going to go through every single part of my prompt right right now to figure out exactly how to build this agent for me. And it's also going to figure out what tools that I need and set the entire thing up by itself. If I was doing this exact process in Zapier or NAN, this could have easily taken me like 30 minutes to an hour, but you'll see for yourself how fast Nexus sets this up. Now, what's going to happen if it's your first time setting up an agent on this platform, it's going to ask you to sign into your different account. So it's going to ask you for access for like tools like Canva, Google Calendar, Google Meet, and everything like that. So it has the full access to all of your tools, so it can now connect those to the agent. So as you can see, for my example, I need to sign into Google, click accept on all of the permissions so that I can go to work, and then that's it. It's completely done. I don't need to do any API keys, no manual setup. It's just all done in 1 or 2 clicks. Now, once this is all done and saved, your meeting summary is live. As you can see on the screen right now, mine is fully set up and yours should look the exact same once you copy the exact prompt that I gave you. From here, all you need to do is just simply type in something like summarize the last 3 meetings that I just had in my calendar. And then from there, the agent is going to go straight to work. It's going to go to your calendar, find all your meetings, and then build a full summary of exactly what was said in that meeting. Whether it's with a client, maybe a team member, whoever it is, it's going to give you a full detailed summary. And for me, this actually replaced some of the tools that I use on a regular basis. I used to use tools like Phantom and Otter, but now I no longer need to use them because I have my own agent that can do this for me on demand. And this cuts back another expense for me in my business. So just like any other meeting summary, you're going to see exactly what was discussed, what we decided, what needs to happen next. Everything you would normally spend 20 minutes writing after a call is literally done for you within seconds. Another cool thing that I like about this platform is that it can draft a follow-up email from that same exact meeting if you needed one. Once it knows the context, it goes ahead and takes that second step on its own. All right, so now let's go ahead and build agent number 2, and that is the slide deck builder agent. And to do this, just like how we did on the first agent, all you need to do is click the plus button once again and then select create new agent. I've actually made your life 10 times easier in this video because all of the prompts here I've gotten from GitHub so that you can use them, and these are real prompts. You can trust that these work and you don't have to go and figure out these prompts on your own. So just like the first prompt, I'm going to leave the prompt for this agent down in the description as well. So as I said, this agent is essentially going to take whatever summary you give it and turn it into a structured slide. It's going to be a nicely presented presentation of whatever was said in that meeting, but you can make this a presentation about anything, right? Let's say you have a pitch that you want to do to a client, or maybe you have an idea that you want to share with your team. You can use this agent to make a fully loaded presentation with clear slides that you can now present in any meeting or any presentation that you want. And the output is going to be a raw file that you can download and open up straight away. So I'm going to enter the prompt right here again. And while this is being set up, there's one thing worth knowing. You can choose any AI model you want to power your Nexus account, right? So if you want to choose ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any other AI tool that is on the platform right now, you can decide. For me, when I'm doing presentations or any kind of written work, I always use Claude because it handles better at structured writing and it actually sounds like a human talking. I feel like ChatGPT feels very robotic. So if you're doing certain tasks like these, I highly recommend you stick to Claude, but there are other use cases where you can use Gemini or Claude if you want like other stuff that has like big context that you need to download, but that's for like a different agent or a different use case. The good thing about this is that you're not locked into one model. You can choose whatever AI model that best suits your particular use case. All right, cool. So now you can see that the agent is ready right now. So let's go ahead and use it. You can ask it to turn your Monday morning meeting summary into a slide deck. If your tools are not connected, it's obviously going to ask you to paste in your summary. So all you need to do here is go back to your meeting summary agent that we created previously and then copy the output from earlier and then come back here and drop in the summary into this new agent we've just built. Now watch what's going to happen, right? So as you can see for yourself, everything on this slide came straight from the meeting. Of course, this is a dummy meeting. It's not my exact meeting that I'm having in my team. I'm just showing you guys this as an example, but you can see the whole thing is very clean. It's on brand. Everything is laid out nicely. I like the font that I use, and it actually is the exact information that I fed it. And the whole thing took less time that it would have taken you to open up PowerPoint and create this presentation slide yourself, right? So we're saving time right here. We're saving money. And essentially this is doing all of the work for us. So there we go. That's 2 out of 3 agents completed right here. We have one more agent to go. Make sure you stick around for that and hit that like button right now if you're getting any value from this. As I said, guys, this is the kind of stuff that if you're a business owner or you just started an online side hustle, you can easily outsource with a platform like Nexus. You don't need to spend hours, building outside yourself or, taking notes in a meeting. You actually have the power of AI right now and agents that can do all of this on your behalf and save you hours every single week. All right, so now we're into the third agent, and this is the one, I don't know if you remember, but this is the one that actually opened up this entire video, and it's the competitor analysis agent. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works right now. So same as the previous agents, all you want to do is click the plus button right here, then click on create new agent, and then give it this exact prompt right here. Same as usual, I'm going to leave it down in the description. All you want to do is copy and paste this entire prompt. It's very detailed and it's going to get the job done. You just copy and paste it directly into the description right here, and then you're going to enter it. And at this point, the agent is going to do two things. It's going to research and build a report for you. All you have to do is just give it a company name, and it's going to pull all the information from the public sources and analyze all of it. Then it's going to produce two separate files, a PDF report and a presentation deck. Cool, so let's go ahead and save this agent and run it right now so you guys can see how this all works. I'm going to type in this company right here. So all you want to do at this point, once you have your agent set up, is type in a company that you want to analyze. And obviously this is going to vary depending on what type of business you're in. I'm going to type in this exact company right now to show you guys what comes back. Now I actually want you to watch what it does. And the cool thing about Nexus is that you can see the entire thought process behind the AI as it's going through, right? You can see every little piece of detail that it's going to pull. So you can see right now it's pulling data across the web. It's showing you the different market size of the company, competitor profile, funding, product publishing, strengths and weakness. It's literally giving you every single thing you need on this specific competitor. From there, it's going to make sense of every single detail that is found. Then it's going to structure it into something that you can actually use to move your business forward and potentially get ahead of the competition. So here we go, it's completed the analysis, and what I'm going to do right now is download both of them and open them up so you can see this is actually real. This is not just a fake screen recording or me making this up. These agents can actually do exactly what I'm showing you right here. So first and foremost, we're going to open up the PDF, and as you can see, you've got an executive summary, you've got a full market overview right here, and if we scroll down a little bit, you have the competitor profile of the kind of details that would honestly take an entire afternoon to pull together if we were to do this manually. You've got the pricing section right here, positioning, what they do well, what the gaps are. So you've got every single thing that you need on your competitor. Get inspired by what they're doing or fill in the gaps that they're not already doing so that you can do and gain more of the market share and more of the audience in your space. Now let's open up the second document, which is the slide deck. And as you can see, it's the same information, but it's laid out in a clean presentation. So we have the SWOT analysis right here. We have pretty much everything that you would need to either share with a potential client, a team member, or maybe someone that wants to acquire your business. Whatever the case may be, you have all of the details done for you in literally under 5 minutes, right? You have a clean report and a clean slide deck and present in any meeting that you're going to. And just like that, you have 3 agents built inside of your Nexus account. Didn't require you to do any coding, any learning. You didn't need to do any deep research or figuring out how to use this platform in depth. All you need to do is describe what you want, and this platform creates the agent for you, and the agent sits in your account. So whenever you want to come back and use it, it's ready to go. It's not like you have to keep rebuilding these agents over and over again. They're sitting in your account waiting for your next command. So by the end of this video, you've built 3 fully functioning AI agents. So we have the meeting summary agent, the slide deck builder, and the one we just built, which is the competitor analysis agent. All of these running inside of your business without zero coding, and all of this for less than the Netflix subscription. Now if you want to go even deeper into AI tools and how they can save you time, I've made a full video about 10 AI tools that saves me thousands of hours, and I'm going to leave it on the screen for you to click right here. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in that next video.